14 blunt reasons people struggle to connect with you. Are you wondering why others don't seem to want to connect with you? Building meaningful connections is an art. It requires empathy, effort, and a willingness to open yourself up to others. But sometimes, despite our best intentions, we unknowingly create barriers that push people away. Recognizing these behaviors and making small changes can transform your relationships and help you connect more deeply with those around you. Let's explore 14 blunt reasons people might struggle to connect with you and practical ways to address them. 1. You're standoffish. Imagine attending a warm, friendly gathering but keeping a frosty demeanor. That's what it feels like for others when you're standoffish. Your body language, crossed arms, minimal eye contact, or leaning away, communicates disinterest or discomfort. While you may simply be shy or introverted, others might misinterpret your behavior as unwelcoming. Humans are wired to seek warmth and connection. Simple changes, like offering a smile or relaxing your posture, can make you appear more approachable. Start small. Greet others warmly or engage in light conversation. These small gestures can make a big difference in breaking down walls. 2. You come across as fake. Authenticity is a cornerstone of connection. When you're not true to yourself, people sense it. Maybe you're trying to fit in, impress, or avoid showing vulnerability. But this behavior creates a distance between you and others. People crave real interactions. A genuine laugh, an honest opinion, or a moment of vulnerability is far more appealing than a rehearsed persona. Embrace your quirks and flaws. They make you human. When you show your true self, you invite others to do the same, creating a foundation for real relationships. 3. You don't truly listen to them. Listening is more than hearing words. It's about understanding and engaging with what the other person is saying. If you're formulating your next response instead of focusing on the speaker, you're missing critical emotional cues. Genuine listening involves making eye contact, nodding, and asking clarifying questions. For example, if someone shares a challenge, acknowledge their feelings before offering advice. Listening isn't about fixing. It's about being present. When people feel heard, they're more likely to open up and form a deeper bond with you. 4. You keep your guard up. Letting others see your vulnerable side can be terrifying, but it's essential for building trust. When you always appear invulnerable, people may assume you're uninterested or unwilling to connect. Vulnerability doesn't mean oversharing. It means being authentic. Share your feelings, admit when you're wrong, or let someone in on your challenges. These small acts of openness make others feel closer to you and encourage them to share their own experiences. 5. You don't put enough effort into the relationship. Strong relationships don't happen by accident. They require time and effort. If you're only available when it's convenient or frequently cancel plans, others may feel undervalued. Consistency is key. Whether it's a quick text to check in or making time for regular meetups, showing up consistently builds trust. Effort doesn't have to be grand. Even small gestures, like remembering birthdays or asking about someone's day, demonstrate that you care. 6. You don't try to get to know them better. Curiosity is the gateway to connection. If you don't show genuine interest in others, you're sending a message that their lives don't matter to you. Ask thoughtful questions. What's your favorite memory? What inspires you? Listen actively and remember details they share. When people feel seen and valued, they're more likely to invest in the relationship. 7. You don't seem to care about their feelings. Empathy is what turns a conversation into a connection. When you dismiss someone's feelings or fail to acknowledge their experiences, it creates an emotional gap. It doesn't take much to show empathy. If someone shares a struggle, respond with, "That sounds really tough. How can I support you?" Validation can be incredibly powerful, even if you don't have a solution to their problem. 8. You're not fully present with them. Being physically present isn't enough if your mind is elsewhere. If you're glued to your phone or distracted during conversations, others will feel unimportant. Make an effort to give your undivided attention. Turn off notifications, make eye contact, and actively engage in the discussion. These small changes can significantly deepen your connections. 9. You aren't aware of your actions or words. Sometimes, our unintentional behaviors can hurt others. Maybe you interrupt frequently, make insensitive jokes, or dominate conversations without realizing it. Self-awareness starts with reflection. Ask yourself how your words and actions might come across to others. Better yet, seek honest feedback from trusted friends. This willingness to grow shows others that you value their feelings and are committed to improving. 10. You're close-minded. People are drawn to open-mindedness because it fosters respect and understanding. If you refuse to entertain new ideas or dismiss others' perspectives, you create a barrier to meaningful dialogue. Approach conversations with curiosity instead of judgment. Instead of arguing, try saying, "That's an interesting point. Can you tell me more?" This simple shift can transform how others perceive and connect with you. 11. You dominate conversations. While enthusiasm is great, monopolizing discussions can leave others feeling unheard. Relationships thrive on balance, a give and take that allows everyone to feel valued. Practice active listening. Pause to let others speak, ask follow-up questions, and genuinely engage with their responses. The more you focus on others, the more they'll want to connect with you. 12. You're judgmental and critical. Criticism can be a connection killer. If you're overly judgmental, people may feel they can't be themselves around you. Instead of pointing out flaws, focus on strengths. Offer constructive feedback only when asked, and practice kindness in your interactions. Accepting others as they are fosters trust and connection. 13. You're just so negative. Negativity can drain the energy from any interaction. Constant complaints or a pessimistic outlook can make people hesitant to spend time with you. While it's okay to share frustrations occasionally, try balancing them with positivity. Celebrate small wins, express gratitude, and focus on solutions rather than problems. A positive attitude can be contagious, drawing people toward you. 14. You're uber competitive. Excessive competitiveness can strain relationships. If you're always trying to outdo others or turning every conversation into a contest, you might be pushing people away. Instead of competing, focus on collaboration and support. Celebrate others' successes and share your own without overshadowing theirs. Relationships aren't a zero-sum game. The more you lift others up, the stronger your connections become. Final thoughts. Connecting with others requires self-awareness, effort, and a willingness to grow. By recognizing and addressing these 14 behaviors, you can break down the barriers that may be holding you back. Remember, relationships aren't about perfection. They're built on authenticity, mutual respect, and shared experiences. Take small steps to open up, listen more, and engage with others on a deeper level. Ask yourself, which of these behaviors do I recognize in myself? The journey to stronger, more meaningful relationships starts with a single step, and it's never too late to begin. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.